This is a big economic boost for Stockton right now. It couldn't come at a better time.
Now, I've mentioned that there's 1,410 craftspeople on the site today. And so, if you just think about structural steel as an example, well, the structural steel isn't obviously fabricated here on the site. It's fabricated, actually, two local contractors, San Joaquin Steel and Stockton Steel, are fabricating that. And so that generates jobs and work effort here locally. And I think the analysis, well, it shows that there's a belief that roughly 5,500 total jobs are created because of this project.
You'll see a few crews that are working on roofs as we go back through the FSS, but the bulk of our manpower is inside. I don't know if you noticed them, but if you looked hard enough, on top of the cells, there are actually 35 people up there working right now. And they're putting in the utilities to feed all those cells. So on an average, we have anywhere between 150 and 200 people spread out in the building. There's 31 buildings inside the secure fence, and everyone's being worked on right now. This is a perfect place to see the different aspects of not only prison, but prison healthcare construction. We have metal stud walls, which you typically see in a hospital, correct? But we also have CMU walls, which are level 1 security walls that the prisoners cannot get through. And we also have an adaptation, which is a metal stud wall that has security screening on it so that they can't get through that with high impact resistant drywall. To give you an idea what we were talking about, the CMU blocks, we are doing about anywhere between 11 and 12,000 a day pieces of block. In this building alone, there are 24,000 pieces of cement masonry unit, or cinder block as a lot of people call it.
You know, a project of this magnitude has literally thousands and thousands of variables, and they all are dependent. It's like a big game of dominoes. If one of the dominoes falls out of sequence, it really messes things up. And I can't tell you how pleased we are as an owner's organization to have, contractors on site that have the ability to coordinate and manage the work as well as what we're seeing happening here.